Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. Smudge is right here and I'm going to start putting my mask on. A few things to talk about. I'm going to put the Marie mask on. I got that set. I had the set of eye gels and I have the set of masks, and I'm going to put one on and then I'll tell you more about that. And just want to say, how are y'all doing? Did y'all have a good weekend? You know, they make these where you can pull them, but I never can do it. Why, does anybody else have trouble like that? I had a scissor, but Smudge, did you sit on it, love? Because I don't see it in my little pencil holder there, so. Smudge, okay. Okay, I got it cut open. Let's put it on. How was your weekend? Did y'all have a nice weekend? I know that the Canadian wildfires, some of that smoke is dissipating. I haven't heard much about the fires though, y'all, but I've been seeing sad videos of animals trying to run from it and all that. It's very, very hard to watch. So keep them all in your prayers if you will. It's just hot and humid here, and with that comes storms. So it might be true for you that way. Hopefully there's been some relief around the world with all the heat. Oh, this is really pretty. Whoops, it's reminding me of like, what do you call those? All around Halloween time. Day of the Dead kind of mask or something. It's pink, this one's pink, magenta. Okay, so much you're gonna leave, thank you. And then there's marine life on it. There's a starfish, there's a seahorse, my favorite. It's very saturated. These are beautiful masks. I've had them before. They're really, really nice. All right, he moved out of the way, which is very helpful. My hands are sopping wet. So let me dry them off and then I'll tell you about the mask. The Murray masks are, it says true to your beauty. And then it says marine collagen facial masks. It's a marine complex, hyaluronic acid, pearl extract. And this is, oh, it's dermatologist recommended, which is nice. This one is coral gold, this one, but it really is like a magenta. It doesn't look coral to me at all. But it's all the sea life on them. Very, very pretty. So that is my mask. It says to leave on for 20 minutes. So of course you always start with a clean face. I think my camera got hit a little bit. Start with a clean face, put it on, and it says wait and relax for 20 minutes. There is a lot of essence in here that you can use, use on your body, whatever. Here comes Blue. Okay, Blue, come on in. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Come on in. Come and sit down, sweetie boy. Okay, so let's see what's going on. So I just wanted to ask you, send good thoughts and vibes and prayers for all those affected by the bad weather and the fires and all that. Of course, I know that y'all probably already are doing that. So I know that everybody appreciates it, and thank you so much. And my collaboration that I'm in started on Saturday. It's Christmas in July, and that was thought of by Erlene S. And I'll put the ladies below. We have a playlist. I'll put that below as well. Erlene S. Thought of this a few months ago and asked us Mask Monday ladies that the four of us do Mask Mondays together. There's a lot of Mask Monday ladies, but the four of us do Mask Mondays together every so often. And so Erlene asked us if we wanted to do Christmas in July, so we did. And Life with Christine is also in that with us, and Tea Time Adventures and me. And that went up on Saturday, and so it runs for 2 weeks. And then going on right now is the Temu Summer Swap. I think that's what they call it. They call it a swap. So they swap, they have partners and they swap. And that is run by Stephanie, which is Glitzy Gem. And a lot of channels in there you already know. So you may know all the channels, but that one's going on now, and I think it ends on this Saturday coming up. And then this Saturday coming up, Miss Jackie Russell's Dollar Tree Train is starting. And that one is Back to School, I think is the title. Or somewhere thereabouts. I could be a little wrong on that, but that's got a bunch of people in it. And so yeah, some good collabs going on right now. So, you know, keep a watch for those. And I will tag Stephanie Glitzy Gem, and I'll tag Miss Jackie Russell. So that you can easily find their collabs. You know, Jackie's doesn't start until Saturday. But in the meanwhile, she's got great videos you can watch, as do a lot of the channels. You know, that's what we do. That's what we do here. We do videos. So we all just, you know, love to do collabs for you guys. So of course we all, you know, there's giveaways. I'm all tongue-tied and upside down. It's been stressful here. I'm just working lots and hoping for a break sometime soon. So it should be coming soon. In the meantime, I'm just, you know, I've just been having some issues. I don't know if I have told you in the past that I've had some, just went out of my head what it's called. See, this is what I mean. I can't remember anything. Vertigo. I've had some vertigo, and it started last year in May. And it was pretty bad for a couple of days. Compared to some people, no. So I really can't complain about it. I was able to function. I can go to work and I can drive. But I'd lay down and I'd go spinning. So anyway, I'm doing lots better and hardly ever notice it. But here lately, the last week, I've been having a couple of little spin issues. So not sure what who knows? It all has to do with your inner ear and stuff like that. So anyway, okay, so, but I'm okay. I'm doing well. It's not bad. So I just am putting it out there that I just don't feel like I'm sharp. Let's put it that way. I feel like I'm not sharp. So anyway, okay, so what else did I want to tell you all about? Hang on. Y'all, FABFITFUN. If you can believe it, they're showing us spoilers. We're going to be picking very soon. What in the world? It's hot summer. I mean, it does not feel like fall to me. And then they'll send it to us probably in September. I mean, it'll be here before fall. It seems like they just keep backing it up and backing it up and backing it up. I love FABFITFUN though, I really do. But anyway, tomorrow I have a FABFITFUN video. So I hope you'll enjoy it. It was a surprise kind of a thing. So check it out if you will. And I think that's really about it. I've got my boys just always want to be with me. Camille is, you know, she comes and goes, and I wish she'd, you know, come by more often. She doesn't like the storms. I've told you all that before. When it gets stormy, she gets a little scared, which is just sad because she won't let me really comfort her. So, but I hope that y'all are doing well. I hope that your weather is good or tolerable. You know, I hope you have air conditioning that runs well. And keeps you nice and cool. And I hope that all this flooding that's going on, oh my goodness, it's like the world is just topsy-turvy. I just pray that everybody stays safe. And I love you all, and so good to see you, and count your blessings, and hope to see you very soon again. Y'all take care and have a wonderful week. Be safe.